Hi everyone, this is Heidi from Accountability and EdTech, and this is going to be a quick video on how to use Google Sheets. This is really similar to Microsoft Excel or if you use Numbers with your MacBook. So let's get started. I'm starting with the Chrome browser and google.com. If I come to the right, it already shows that I'm logged in with my Google account, and right to the left of that, you're going to get the Google Apps. Click on that and come down to Google Sheets. Once selected, you will start a new spreadsheet. So you can choose between blank or one of the pre-built templates that they have for you. For this case, I'll just choose blank. And there you have it. So you have your tools at the top here to work within your spreadsheet. So before we share this with students, I need to make sure I give this a title. So maybe this might be assignment number 3, okay? And when I'm ready to share this, once it's completed, I'll come to the right corner, select share, and then you have this get shareable link. So once you click on that, then you'll have to decide what you want your students to do with this spreadsheet. Do you want them to edit it, comment, or just to view it? So maybe in this case, this is going to be a workable spreadsheet for my class. So I'll put can edit. I'll copy this link. And then this is the link that you're going to paste maybe in your Google Classroom or send that out as an email or however you communicate with them. Okay, so then that's pretty much it. And that's how you get started with Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.